for Ghana for Nagina. Asama Mekayan in here. Party Ejina BSC no, and yet party ma be Brady Yaw. Yako abato beye bosomi ensoni. Ye disa inkuguiwe. Ye di inkuguiwe ya yentimi shise ye no manizi. Afede ye si ye sanku yi driver foforo a obesa ka ehyen na maye. Ehyen no asey no a yentimi sisi ehyen no. Ehyen no ekonya ekọ di kira emu nipa ni bi ewu ebi eprepra yentimi ensesa ye ho yare awie ye no. One national council akosi gina yese yes anko yi driver fofra obeka hyen no ne yemfa ne ntwen. Na sem we de ye jitu mani ye yesa. Enu ntimi na makasa ti ase a bad decision and a biased decision.
Bias no, bias no set to favor who?
Yeah. Bias in here. And chair be last 2 months or mote ya. A General Secretary Kodia, National Organizer Nana Boakye, 2024 flag bearer Dr. Baumia, Womo call meeting ewo London, any MPP UK branch share more London.
That's right.
A honor Dr. Baumia can say, I was see it me ye and flag bearer by January 2026. Said the bear flag bearer no, a binya bay infamiensa etimia ye juma na ansana 2028 about to anaba. And chair na mobile national council meeting last month ya. Na mo decide same way but two ja. Na just say Ubia adwene no be say dia ono Dr. Baumia ka na adwene wono e na mo aba be sisu dia abegia tumbo ha na eni kwa say banesa na eyem pepre ho a ye pepre ye hu apa na apa kusisen e dia maye. Look Omanhene eni MPP for amotie mi anope obi anyi dini enti conference aye kwe this month 19th no eni sa date no enye conference ena eko for date no so na eko she date na maye wo hwe constitution ni mu a National Executive Committee National Council ene be sigina ya the date na ba ye be conference we akwa ye constitutional amendment so mo be kaya 2009 emna you lose 2008 elections no 2009 ye major constitutional amendment our party constitution. 15 years ye need be afin ye be the second one. In afin ye be konya kwa who said this is a party organization, party structure ni nyina no ebe ye. Ebinu mo chradwen say ye miemu neka obi biara wa register as MPP member we share the dues intimate abani be decision making on participating. Ibinum so kire say yemfa nipa kakra enka ho yenni si sa gina ye nyina no yensi po yenkogin tumu enwie ye introduce the new amended constitution of MPP Emma out na somosoma kwa akoshi date e 31st January 2026 asefem enti I was National Council a twisa decision no esensan I was so more edu tunche. Na ye koye our process we 19th ni wie. Ye wie sa process we no wie a afi na General Secretary and the Constitutional Review Committee no e kwa put a complete document and sign a beba out a bignya the new amended MPP Constitution. So jumedi e betimi take here up to September. September no Tambe na will be nomination for flag bearer election. No aplusu. After yensan koti amosi yebidi kan aye polling station elections December 2025. Ye no 2025 year December polling station year. Na ya pa the academy na woni akwa flag bearer.
Na ye ra dey bo wada room home Mr. Mibisa me ntwa no. E dey wo kan eti December omuko ye police station abano 2 year womo de new elected members no na ekoto 31st January no anase womo ede dada no na beto na we mu be standby they told me constituency executives dada no womo mre nson ebeso next year na woko change police station ni no na wa anweni a now the fufuro no na ekoto anase dey pacho menti asechire muye
okay, and decision of the National Council no me adenimo me se me ni omonya adwen no omontwen sai if we say I was here chance free ase you nim say every level of leadership in the party no a 4-year cycle into your two polling station for the area I was here coordinators near to constituency near to region near to national and sana yakwaku yi and flag bearer enti de wa Omanhene mfatu ho a wo ye enye confusion na dey ba
it say confusion a complete confusion
yes enti say baby so confusion beba no one hwe na ne ekwakoji egu a ye collapse and beba beto aso ebeji egu enti no me susu ye ni madwena machre de ama National Council na say ekwanya ye fa so dada no after 4 years ye polling station for no ye wi ani aye coordinators by February now constituency executives no omo mandate na so ni aye constituency executive elections ye wi by April ye be region national for the ebeso by July enti ye wi yes still ye wo emra ye bitimi dia ye flag bearer elections no party constitution is here what abemwa say we position and check 24 months to the next general election no
okay
I was need me and flag bearer into ye what the whole of 2026 November 2026 or early December 2026 or e betimi aye and flag bearer elections samuwe kaya 2014 na party no opposition yet to obey flag bearer 18th October 2014.
That's right. Nanado dankwa.
Yes, Samuel Mekosa can see no be.
You're correct.
Me na metoso miensa. Me ni nanado ne alanchemati. If we sa can see no. Yankwa can see be at 2023 ya. Ya de koye the last flag bearer. Ya no na party no abemu. And the party no so abemu a ye wo fi be 11 months to the next general election. In Sobesha 2023 no ye no November 4th 2023 near the year flag bearer. In Tisamri adenti ne be prepare who say ye kwakoye say adwumadi we January 31st. Enti ama wentwi ene bebre ntie ho ase ye tia say decision we no ye do so sen wo mo na wo mo fo aso say enkoto saba we say enko yi flag bearer January ya
obi bebu say said there na also the unyina so ne say ususu dua ye dan obeka say omo mpene so no do so che omo mpene so no
ye ne party grassroots bebre akasa even national council members no ebi no mfo aso omo mfo aso
so be sha to be ma contain me kasa
wala ne no de Omanhene Yaw eyo omo asep omo mia omo no na hihye wo mo me national council meeting me member intermediate me come adwene if you said the enhihye ye beboa party no and there was a ye
run anymore ebisi said the flag bearership no edi wantwi ba na de kasantwitwie ne as a penche no any the flag bearership the flag bearer hopefuls no omo interest at polling station constituency and others no yeah, eco fans and baby, but taking a cue from 2023 showdown ne kasa binom ne ade modi emetima kasa udi uhunia ko wie entino ka odi sa how no be there one fa bi ama party no ye kasa bi mu asay party o maye ne ma bi atia party ye mo hudi ne mo se no so ede we penche be already party no sene o kan no onya accident ama em se wo fitem afedi obi sukure ko twaja to sa de aka no mu dia Any other na yen koye na fe car no yen siesie no.
Sompa
Edia no so that school of thought almost say a cha e betimi a disintegrity party ni kra no. Almost only omo ya adwena na now if say that is not the issue.
Enye no ne kwaso no. Ni nyina be wie se pepepeyo ena e was eye adwuma. Na mum se ubi ebra ne su o chekere ne nsagu na chi ebro no ebra ne su a sa nipa ne so mfa adwen pa emedi wachiro.
Okay.
Enti ya wase pepepeyo ena wase ba. Se pepepeyo e wo hono mo a ni enya free, fair, transparent flag bearer election. Even 6 months to general election need me and flag bearer 6 months. Na Ghana for pe sa nipa no e dinam abre Ghana for no a Ghana for beto abade ama MPP amanyokuo. Okuyi nipa ni mfie miensa ansa na yakoto aba na Ghana for mpe no pe. Ni dru wa Ghana for ayo majo se dodo no se o mpe no no. O mo fa tumi ni ma no. But the Ghana for pe nipa no a na you know even 6 months to the just general election. Na no ye Ghana for akono no Ghana for nim se nipa no de o mo woni mu gidi obetimi aye adwuma no a o mo de tumi be ma no e wo MPP team. Enti sa reason ana argument o mo ye ni say to resolve the tensions and disunity and blah 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 in the party no there. Enye we January dey na be resolve o. Nimum justice I be ensure say free, fair, transparent, no biases. Beba no, and no, and the Bema party ni mu ayedin. Look, Omanhene, yeti asantememu. She, ubi owa ya asantememu MP. Wonu ni parliamentary seat no odwene hu. Enu nti no obekwa akoye se oh yenye ni se no onye wie bia na flag bearer akro no obenya no ono na dwene mu nya obeba beboa no se de ebeya ne parliamentary seat na ono so benya na ade ono na dwene se onyanya prime minister wi ni wi a onim se ne na ba akosi parliament nti ekogi na elections na anye yi kra presidential candidate na wi ni ahun de obenya na obenyi ni wakoye na adwuma 4 years so wakoje ne benefit. Enunti media the American wentwi no e free party ni mo a e wo se ma pepepeyo
okay
pepepeyo mo hono mo a me kan bibia me kire ye yi en flag bearer no even 2027 kra no a sa gidi na Ghana for ebe ma party no ho aya akono no Ghana for the to me be my
Erade ni ba no pe me da wa se wanya bre na obakuma ase so a abra na yentwetwe nkomo wadaroma.
Omanhene me da se ya mechia mo nyina.
All right. Erade ni mo na mote ne nka no wa kire ni nsemu yeda mo ase. Mami ma dwabe Rural Bank fo akwaba. Ricky ni George atenase. Wo mo de nsempa nam. Me ma mo ache ma wura no.
Yeah.
Na mo mpom te say. Ricky yente wa no pay.
Omanhene did kind. I'm fine check my customers. You see you so that I read them more. So ciao.
The geneso.
Good. So say no dear. You know baby more daroma any customers daroma baby a job in Rural Bank ya could do. The a dom as a pa. As over here 2023-2024 according to Chamber of Commerce and Industries. Na job in Rural Bank ni di kind the whole Ghana. Na Omanhene amenka asem we ento obi a otie ana ohwe OTV so. So ohwe ya hu se ewi asma ewe edu ba bia na ahokyere abani paso. Na ebani paso a enipa ewo ho no ewo dwumadie bi a obi adi. Ya omo ba na omo de omo ani behwe. Nempo omo kofie bi omo ka ho asem. Ana ye won krofo bi nso omo ba na omo abeboa ewo abrabon. Dwabin Rural Bank yen ya represent the latter. Ye ba ya abeboa. Ye ma mehwe okeke. Nra na me ne crutch bi edi nkomo. Na nkomo no mu a na o kire me se ɔkɔ papa bi a ɔyɛ pottery farmer na ɔne ɔpanyin ni di nkɔmmɔ no na ɔkyerɛ ne sɛ ohia sika atɔ car ɔbɛyɛ den car kɛseɛ yi a ɔmode fa chaku jabidie ne ade nti ɛhɔ na farmers no nkwala no baako ka sɛ kɔ Dwabin Rural Bank na wokɔ a Dwabin Rural Bank ɔmbɛboa ampa ɛna me no kan sɛ nipa no nti sɛ no wo dream sɛ ɔbɛtɔ car kɛseɛ nketewa a wɔde bɛyɛ commercial car Dwabin Rural Bank yɛto yɛ nsa afrɛw wɔde bra na ɛne ɛmɛyɛ adwuma ɛmere kakra bi num no wobɛhu sɛ yɛbɛboa wo ma wo so wakɔ w'anim ɛfisɛ yɛde yɛboa ɛnya deɛ a yɛba ne yɛde yɛni bɛhwɛ na yɛgya hɔ ne yɛkɔ yɛka bie mu no nso no wɔn sɛ last ne yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ Dwabin Rural Bank yɛ tailor made products ane yɛde ba ɛnya deɛ a yɛka sɛ sɛ neteɛ yɛahyehyɛ ne baako pɛ nti nipa no sɛ ɔyɛ driver anaasɛ ɔyɛ herbalist anaasɛ adwuma bi a ɔyɛ no ɔba na loan no sɛdeɛ teɛ no saa in general ane ɛyɛ no ɔhwɛ yɛn nuanom a ɛwɔ magazine a sesei ɔmo nso ani abɛbom ɛyɛ adwuma a yɛhwɛ sɛdeɛ ɔmo nnwuma no esi teɛ ɛno nso ne yɛhwɛ ane yɛ design product a yɛfrɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ den ɛbɛboa wo yɛhwɛ yɛn nuanom nso a ɛwɔ baabi te sɛ kejetia ɛne adum ɛne other places Roman Hill ne adeade no yɛhwɛ sɛdeɛ ɔmo product no sɛdeɛ ɔmo nnwuma no esi teɛ ɛno na ma yɛ design ne asɛmpa ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ wowɔ different branch a wontumi nye deɛ yɛkan ho asɛm bi na mmom yɛn deɛ yɛkan ne sɛ yɛbɔ mmɔden ahwɛ wo product no ɛne nneɛma edwa na wodi no na yɛ design specific product and services a yɛfrɛ sɛ yɛde ma wa ɛbɛboa wo sɛ wohwɛ yɛ asɛmpa yi a na yɛka ho asɛm loan yi a ɛnya deɛ a yɛkɔ akɔfa kɔfa wei bra collateral nsɛm bebree because yehu sɛ ɛmaa ne mɛma no a ɛdi dwa ɛwɔ market wɔ no mmiri pii no ɔmunya consignment anaasɛ goods ɛba yɛ ntɛmpa no a na ɔgyina hɔnom na ɔyɛ den na wagye sika no ɛno nti na ɛmaa yɛ design ne ɔbaa sompa product asɛmpa product no all in the name sɛ oduru hɔ a within bɛyɛ 20-30 1 hour time na ne nsa ka sika no a ɔhwehwɛ no na watumi ɛde akɔfa ne nneɛma ɛnti sɛ ebire wɔ kejetia market ade biara wɔtɔn all kinds of products bɔmmɔden to nan kɔ Dwabin Rural Bank yɛ branch na ɛwɔ saa market wɔ no kejetia market no is gate 3 opposite wokɔ hɔ a na wakɔhu branch manager na sɛ officer bi wɔ hɔ na ne di nkɔmmɔ yɛbɛhwɛ sɛdeɛ nneɛma teɛ yɛso yɛama ayi asɛmpa loan bi Omanhene deɛ ɛma ne yɛ soronko ɛma ne yɛ fɛsɛ unse we ni yɛde buy at the time yɛdi yɛ 40th anniversary no nti yɛde buy sɛ yɛde ba bɛboa business communities no ɛno nti no ohwɛ a anka wokɔgye besia interest rate na anka wɔ soro bebree no yɛhwɛ mu a mpanyinfoɔ a ɛyɛ wɔ wenua elder areda mo ɔno da saa committee na no deɛ ɔmo de to anim ne sɛ yɛnhwɛ ni interest rate no yɛnyi so kra nti woba asɛmpa loan ni deɛ yɛyi interest rate no ama akɔyɛ bibi ketekete they say we are herbalist edwumadie bi a wodi drivers even ɔmo twi pragia ibi the Dwabin Rural Bank yɛ kan say sebre tonsa abomani akɔ any of our branches na kɔkɔ bi account in few weeks in few months no yɛbɛboa na wo so ayɛ car owner yɛbɛboa na wo so ayɛ pragia owner yɛbɛboa na wo business no anase wo heba ayi na open clinic na opese obi mu no yama watimi aye ne kese sebre de yetu yansa free business bi abra Dwabin Rural Bank na ye the only bank asese oba bibie ni ma e friend say commitment fee some charges bebre ewo enema ye den edwa ye di ho oba quickly na ye behwe enema bebre ye yi afiri ho ya tete so a ebeboa ama u business no akwanim because ohwe ayi a said the business community ne kasa the entia bebre no a entimi anyi loan emfa ni dwa eni se omo gibesia na interest no ye den e wo soro enu nti na Dwabin Rural Bank ya yese sadia yeso ye small way a ye de beboa community no e wo business no eni se omo mra interest rate no ye beboa wo moreover obu okro ba beji ordinary loans ya ye beji ya your customers bia ye no mo di dwa kwa ni mu a ye interest rate yetimi ni o negotiate ono mo no obekire rate a opesa woje na yetimi e di aboa no ye de we try not just to make money but we also help you to manage and grow your business. It is every year to yensa afre obi bia omomodin amra all kinds of business your branches need there say enche nyame yadom a na atonsu branch no so ye ba abepie nso mahin me ka jo say nyame yadom kra see wo so beto ne safro na that very day waba no waba grace occasion ni
okay
nti ye hwe munyina monim say every there business bia wo bia no bomodin say ye ketwa say ye kese bomodin abradwa bi nra bank ye beboa e balance nsem kwa dia ene uni how say bre ma minya mu ma minia George na
okay
investment ni other product
George man too
ame mahene me tiefo ni ahwefo nyina isa ma kwa ba kwanso nkoso mahene me ye na maye ene manyanya na edebe enam afene so a bibiri na bibiri nipa bibiri na atwotworo wo ma me diska we ba koto ha metowi afene bako na wie no mahene na saa de nyina na endimanya debe na mama bibiri na ne ya ka kire bibia na se samre ahode wo yi try se obeye bibi o mahene si aka 5 months na afene ya debe akona wie enti opese onya testimony sa bibiri na nya ofuta biro bank na odi enkachi momodia na se obefa Ghana card picture digital address waba no be bi account no bi ayede ba ho o mahene da chinti investment no eboa obia titru omako pension no eno ko bibiri na afene so mo pension no and agedifo salary workers ni na e ka kire obia se odi see the musikan no aka 5 months na afene ko na wie testimonies but modia say osusu betima ayede be anya bie fa Ghana card for 10 cities borrow a branch bia abeko animu a be ne kakra no o mahene bedu afene beko na wie na de city na ede be eko nti e be sere se bia woni account with your bank bia wo de 10 cities beto de bia metaka na de 10 cities beto bi ma nya 10 cities bi let's can ede be eko nanim samre ka kire tifo ni yan se enne so ni account with your bank na be se ubebie bia wo de fa usika na edebe eno Ghana card ne ko amount to be a wo bia borrow a branch wo na wo ye de sa na wo so edebe eko anim edebe de ma o man me be ya na branch bi na nanfo kasa na me hwe mo kasa ni ma akwese hu kwa de ko bank bia mo tititi sa na tititi usika na sia na edebe na sa to na mbu prim ka chom se na o man dwabera bank ye gbono so da bi na me chom se dwabera bank de udu usika beto no ma o man hene ye nti bibia nya edebe mfrim impo interest ne kwa no implement o suru yi pa ye no negotiate first deposit no ye no negotiate na wa waka interest awe de be ope na ye no wa de be atenase na e de amount zamre me ka kire dwadifo nyina na say salary workers government work obi bia say investment de ka say investment de enko ba bia dwabera bank na say de be oba na ba bia wo bia so no so wontimi makura na say distance is not a barrier ye be ba waso ye ho so wo office say wo dwom ba bia wo bia o de no an say obato nsa de be ade afre o mahene ye shares no so gusu ayeton
okay
50% na last week no the way na nipa ni borrow bank no mo to shares ni be mahene na ko anim yi pa na to say be na ntia se na shares ni ma de be ko nanim
okay
design re ka kire chiefo nyina na se say shares no so no be duru afe no be ko na wie na dividend jabro bank bi a mahene 41 years ni ye ho de na de be e wo soro into be investment to jabro bank unu ho da design re kasa no bia wo bia shares no de wo your business kwa na de free baba bia accounts no de de amount fefe o mahene branches na de betu dwa na obia be so bo ba na bank be adwuma dwaben your chief palace bomre so your taxi rank onwe your Roman Catholic adweso your traffic light fumesa taxi station sepe your Gaku house new road your more time abro sign so Pankrono market additional your Dubai Gate3 Roman Hill your Atunsu station
okay
Aboaso so your satellite o man dey see am say be na send message on my phone so say on be say nya numbers na shares no
okay
na yambo right aso no poto shares ni bi but the numbers na tutudwa 0544 745 856
856
0544
0544
74
74
58
58
56
56
0243
0243
18
18
20
20
24
24.
My hand and there will be a funny Ghana card. The picture. Echo Jabberwock Bank. I got to share the
Okay. Yes, sir. That was a Ricky George from Jabberwock Bank. Now, Moti or Moncano. And I'll pay yum have bar lotion and a free. Mr. Wa Bomodina Seubenya Yum Herbal Lotion is an instant body and joint pain reliever. Unya bichu cheap on our tears, you know. So honam to our joints or jonku do a jonku. Na oba ubu sa abdominal cramps. Why ya see ya with ya unya bi srawon one. Afe wuti ejaw. Okonya wu ya pompo bi na abowo. Unya yom eba lotion body and joint pain reliever ya. Wa na wosene no. Bomodina and say ubetimi etu anamo akọ Danny Heba, Freddie Mens, Colinak, Apidank, Ena Misty, Mesrel, Obi Biara, Oberto Yum, Odia Dance say life is possible. And no now who to two, but I sorry, Yenam so you su yomunti, or Hunam se wants to come. Dear way yarn is so di chichi, fetchichi, then no, Obosa Pomodines CPS. Mammy Crown Manasona many honorable a year for Coco dear. Chileboa Kodia, Manson Quantam Rasebijani. Honorable Memoache.
Yeah, me just so me check your phone.
Now, bomb to say,
well, I'm not in the Biaboko.
A telephone for Honorable Kodia, a member of the Economy and Development Committee of Rasebijafie. And Roman Penny John Dramani Mama Adan and Iswadi Hunadi. One of the major campaign promises was 24-hour economy. Voter economic corridor. Juma. The private sector will do the lead and the government will facilitate. He's calling on Ghanaians to get involved. And so me uti, committee baba manim ne adenoma hwehwem na ma tutuna basane sre. Do you see a future with the 24-hour economy? What are Roma?
Yo, Minya, Midasi. It's an yes, I know, 24-hour economy, President Pahontoma, and new idea a year for. So if we can 24-hour economy, one said no. At the campaign time, no, so I said 24-hour economy, one said, most of my budget, I'm already a new. Now, 24-hour economy, and I said, oh, yeah, Juma in a 24-hour shift. No, for a year before, I will hold that it's 18th century, and I will have about this Saturday. So, Shima, someone, the other big, I call the shot here for no. Na hono na titi hono Shima. I think I meant for the new money a bit bad near furniture industrial revolution. No, I think no Bobby na a video here Juma fi say na first view of our men call for here. He said he was driven by demand. Na social idea our free to 18th century. Abedi Sabria a minded near Deni Nimakudibre Akum. Nasa fe na se Oman Ghana yeba be launch it. Na nso si yeba be bia eni abusa ho se adentina ade a wo hwa free 18th century na dey afi dey say this a launch and stand yet na Ghana ha na na say me na bi yo ha na employee nti ye dey yentumi nye bi no so me na bi a do ni be say bia moderating factors and not say antecedents be your heart. Now, you say a walk and sign yet do. And that's idea, but you say, Argentina, Yentini, this about the Sabri. And it's a whole Babylon, so Sabri. Yes, she about the Yebi, or my Ghana, so about the Yebi, and we are not Candiano, a say, so Now, so being produced around the clock for hours. Data media, yeah, Jumadada, yes, you produce piano, among who debate me or more yet. Now, that's the entire Junkan and then 24 hours. Now, a near man, can't be any BS or Usano. It being said, so be produce around the clock. Not say only. The Bonita has a market for it, and I say among that normal. Then you will produce them not to see saying. Until launch or launching, next say I buy the boy you may cram among your mom betana. Sir, question launch not yen yano. And it's all casting in a cool and common producer, why you better. Demand side no, a here. He said, Minia said you're the kind. So 24-hour shift no I want to check so you may come coma not to say was said here among como we say business is no sabi profit in year juma okay now so akanya bi o hona say so producing more no bet me a ton enya sika ama we not say profit I didn't know among como that say demand no e bi an ni ho said yes no be an demand no any ho so on teacher buy no beboa we na dia any I say lunch no ko di tudwa second obe fa so a obema omonya market no
okay
afei yes can show any money bia na ka bia the gidi say no kan ho binti na ama yen so say 24-hour economy no yenya nkomo e no 24-hour economy and I said 24-hour shifts. So I could produce a clocker. Sabre crana yinya in produce a yana juno, yet the daytime yani numano. A yen nama who been crown sabre ed didn't see a dinner numa. And he said, I could produce a jones and one. The attorney said, and yama who dino, a so yana do. A so yana do. Now, Cameron launches our program, you know. Now, to be a president or country, and Namahodi as they say of mine, you want me to say, and a baby home. Now, I am ready a war, and you maku, a assured, says a castle could produce you an adjo, and they can't daytime, the anyone, and Namahodino, a war. So, no, you can't
honorable, not to say, your bane in this, to say, and you know, my word, you know, bet me, and change idea, Emma 24-hour economy, intimate, and Yinasani was saying, considering the child of our electricity, you know.
That's your pa, and Yamahodica home, and make us a marketing, so no, say, Osha. I might be almost so 24-hour shift. He said India for okay, the more example India for almost sure my economy, so more digina, a year above for normal so say technology, or more digina so. And see a binance so boy market, the beer, or bit me no more a mama in and you may quack a see who we are here. Between my years, and he almost me around the clock. And he covered the lunch, you know. I said to me, ma, a man who said, when you more, so by the bed boy, I mean, you may queer woman, you know, or when your baby, I could toss, and your man, I saw one produce the breed, no, on the cockatono. So, now someone produce you are, why never talk, a hen on a deco, a room here. I say, I finally say, come on here, they say, my mushama, yet crying on my ball, my mupa, a bini more, a bini a coconut poultry products, any idea, the ball, my mu, and a crack into a 60-year 24-hour economy. A bit me produces a normal way, and just a demand of a bit more produce. Now, I say, I stop it impulse no. Now, the Bibusan said, and the Pessia cassette. Omanhene Yaw, let's say, omu diamo, omu raisy portrait. And you can say, omu daylight capacity, no, omu exhaust here now. Daytime, omu diamo ye jumano. ọmọ yẹ adwuma menesi enti ọmọ ntimi nya adwuma biem bi so ọmọ yẹ na najo ana enti chese ye ko ye adwuma najo e de beka daytime ni ho a let's say ye the more example a chese afeye import mo biem ana say si am produce mo najo anfa nka anopa ni ewia de ho a eni e be ko so import rice say poultry farming near ya si ankoye bia najo na si ye nyina ye nice najo a eni e be ko so import poultry ana so enti dine hu ye say enuma kueko ni e pese e chese omo seti omo capacity omo hu odi omo di produce niema no omo ya ma kodru pempenso bi say so omo di ana de ka ho nyesa enoma nkoyi
okay
na ye nyina nyine hu ye nim nyuma kuo o Ghana ha eni omo hu odin ni ade sanity ana say omo ye omo produce wa do omo limit or daytime ke so omo kwa na ju
okay
I say aban say
Memra ni tika obetima bon to farmer me finally
yo I say sikasem we no ontimi enye wa bra sikasem so mem aban so church ke bia to ha odi ba be so mi ade na no the mechanic say sika no eyo man sika nti bibi ade na si ehwe yi say so be ban fa so aman
okay
say anajujumen say ya dia eto asumu yi a eni enuma kuekueku no omo ankasa betima cop bank ni ade akwa akojiska na say ban no wo bam diska ba be shenvia na nya na ti say 24-hour economy na ade ba no etochima say etochima enka bank ni ade no omo ankasa diska ba be she enuma kuekum amomo dia ye ke hia say ban na diska be kwa peshem na mum ebia ento asumu no enti na ese wo aban umum na ese diska ba be shem he said banks no omo nya ready say uni off takers om do musika be ma o producer say o producer ma obi ato na so obi eni wa auto banks omo for musika ma me shem that buy na timi musika be shem na say eni na bibi wo ba esi ebusa ba e ma trust no
all of foko di actually boy be do ase man so nkwanta mrahye bejani na mote 7 na twetwen komo no oka committee a one Russia Bejafia, Economy and Development Committee, and I interesting come on so Otutuna Basari say, now me catch it, I will say, ash foam, we have superior bedding, ye dear bar, ye 2 and more as a sign near mem cry. You see, ash foam say open beds and mattresses, papa. Out of sober that sorry asum jemu. Pillows, bed linings, mattress toppers, mattress protectors, duvet, curtains, and towels may come for ash for mama. Feel it and know it. Your number is 05565 79214. 05565 79214. Your SG Mall main office, any Melody showrooms, Wakasi, Tafo, Santasi, Kumasi Mall, any Ahojo. Na oba yasuya ya na bo say we have turned your bedroom into a modern one and it comes with a touch. Peggett Engineering and Company Limited. Ye dear, we are seeing atum say ba generators are free UK. We are distributors. Na 15 kVA to 10,000 kVA. A company by industry by if the Juma Bay, a fee. What be a Juma Winya generator, a fee plant, what the old Diane Perkins and Cummins generated made in the UK are a free Peggett Engineering Company Limited. Bomodna Nebraya say 5 years warranty, the date of purchase, auto generator 5-year warranty. Your best service here, Marsha, say big Jinaso. You saw the comfy air condition 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 horsepower, and also 5-year warranty. Who pay it up a day? Yeah, transformers installation, a fear and factory wiring, and Kofobia Mankoya wiring, Mama Ufi and Koshi. And now we are licensed by Electricity Company of Ghana. It's legit, you're fake. Your number no 0244 599 124 Kumasi Ahinsan ene wo 0244 599 124 0500 548 408. Give us a call. OCP Ghana. Your MPK fertilizer no. The Woody do atoko brony money. I don't know. 15. And a 10 20 10. And a the Woody dia dianomni. I don't know. So your TSP OCP. Ye MPK ye papa obi aja to my bibre mo anomo ekuafo yonko awoma enobai no etimi ya kese na doso na utwanya bo no na wonya osika no eye OCP Africa. Your number is 0555 909 437 0555 909 437. Express Group etufa the Drew Amanone country bear now person call Canada, USA or UK, Australia, New Zealand or Germany. Yeah. International examination and registration. You be register for IELTS, GRE, GMAT, TOEFL. Ya chewa dia mwako cha. Kumasi asafu labor roundabout. Enkankaneshi first line. Na take it na ope siye buawo. Ope siye buawo mako holidays. Ope visa. Mwa. Ope admission dia kusuku amanone scholarship bi. Baso kweye juma na kusia dia. Fre 0249 000448 0249 000448. Codex Healthcare Limited. Diabetes we was said to be a regular we check it. Now also who said be low sugar and high level. Also who said that 4 aye and that say aye a trase ya mwame. Sorry no pebia uni di and also check it. Na mfidie bia ba se wo bia go check in e bu okro ti ma readings anya papa we the Codex Healthcare ye the mfidie your friend cord free or cord free plus glucometer ba cord free or cord free plus glucometer ebe mo hu sugar level here na na ma wan ko bu anhwe anko amewu anhye enunti Ade pharmacy ye di bia kuku ho fidie na de TV sui Osons chemist Jam pharmacy LNA Saks pharmacy ebi ho Lancer chemist ubenya bi wo de o pentiase bi afre 0206 972963 0206 972963 ne no twetwe komana 0540 647 867 na bibia ankoso onipa dasani se wanumu banka eyaniwo eyanimguase oni obi di nkomo na wotwetwe ne ti e kirawo say something is not smelling good halitosis here there ha twen papa udi diwie na say bu awaduji wadidi pedua ne kotodwe na ahye ne sim wadwetwere ne se no de akoda osori anopa saa de ne yi beto anim aye hwiawe osia chinom nyina ne wanum enkanka bi ahyehyɛ wo ohia yas toothbrush yas toothpaste. There were 3 variants. Total Care toothpaste prevented germs and cavities and tokro ba osim afei se kaka ene se proye nom ne nkan ni nyinara cavities ahyehyɛ wo sena se ye plaques no ni nyina akɔ afei herba no so be ma wo se aye den. Now I tell you not to so. Brush no ya Kevin Fifi in such a manner said to me formulated for your teeth. To chiro see out him say what you chiro see ankasa. Yes to paste, yes to brush. Oh, obi aja to go just wo busa. Nejo de kama. Afa insuo na obi aja to manum bie no. Eye Kangen and Magic drinking water. Kangen and Magic drinking water. Insuo ayabuju insuo rich mineral like calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, and a womb, a hydrate ni pedianti debiara wo hoten. Esaso ho hro wa brebo wo kidney no wasa nom ne chese de woni pedua nim no ebe zoom lion ayi fi ni nyina afri ho and dey brema UGC Funi Road and Abawa Road to Johnson bra ope sa wo ye distributor now ye agent ye no be twetwe nkomo frey 0241 449191 0241 449191 21st clinic and I yes sciatica expert na pain na efiri wo sisi achia na ntini ni san wakoka woto na esane akoka wo 90 no ya de ase ho tochima ya obi a wanya sciatic nerve issue bi abeka kire say sciatic ayade na ya na emom 21st clinic say wo dada opa ye ba na say wo babura ho no mo pe e wo ye branches 15 organ ha ba bia no a wo be call kama ye de wo be to aduro so bibiduro kai ye be massage o ye be twa lab scan ne ye hu ba bia yare no fare ba wo nyina ye expert enu ti frɛ wo 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na nyame ya doma Liberty Conference baso yeah July edition bosumu ya ne de toso aduonu nsia wo Jubilee Park ya tonsa frɛ Minister Sete Champon Babel Ochre and Minister Kwame Jedu ma de nyina Omanhene na medi dwuma nanim wo Jubilee Park a fruit direction sharing so we are breaking family barriers and limitations or say at thy word and coming ko nanso wanu mu asempti and coming yet nanso wanu mu asempti 6 a.m. sharp wo Jubilee Park obese obo adwumadie ya obetimi a support dwumadie sansaminu mienu ne ye number no ye 0598 588017 0598 588017 bon se billboards wo krom na mo eye posters ni nyina yesika 0598 588017 bejafo eba na no ma betwetwe nkomo na yakoyanim mejidi se nia omampani jomama ka 24-hour economy no bi mo etutu na basane ste utie foko twirwa kodi a wose nyade be yi bia nchada nyawa bia no hon yewrade ni motu akasa bote ne kasa wo kire say to some extent it is biased, is unreasonable, and it will not help Aga well for the rebuilding of the new patriotic party. Now, I don't pay. If you share any more, say, you're a PV Jantua, a baby coming, sir. No, man, penny your mama. The last batch of the deputy ministers, no, or the Aba. Now, Honorable Dr. Toffee, a deputy minister for transport. Ababa wa fe bia. Ya bo amaso feeling in the pano. Honorable Dr. Toffee. Afotofi was deputy minister this year for transport.
Afotofi. The best appointment at President Mahama Ayero. Afotofi.
Deputy transport.
Onko sia GPR2 for no money negotiations. Lorry fare to bio.
Said the
or Casaso, I won't sorry in a hole. When I want to
I agree to him for toffee. A girl girlfriend say, I'm saying Fantana ne mame. After toffee.
Share. Asante.
Oye, doubt.
I am to Petumbi man.
That honorable member of parliament for Jomoro. Oye, heavily endowed. Behind. Sometime no I'm say ka VIP did omo bo nyom no wanim wachi ahomka wom
sir
ai
MP
Jomoro for MP omo so omo tisane da me ma no kra to chen ma no mo o we de wu ni ye ma e video bi a wo twem de abo ma so omo ko negotiation omo ni GPR2 amo on sorry nyina ho
onyina ho nkasa nkyere ho onye onyina ho omo ma na mic no on sorry nyina ho GPR2 for
James Jachikwesi.
It was coming.
Deputy Minister for Foreign Affairs. Okuja to deputy.
It was coming.
And you question the position to watch him.
Honorable Mohammed Sakbaru, Deputy Minister for Communication, Digital Technology and Innovation, Sam George Deputy. And Professor Dr. Grace Ayensu Dankwa, Deputy Minister for Health. These are the squad.
Akando ehia a deputy minister.
I want your mama in a
car. Oko Legon say not ni trimi nyina ya yifi.
I say you cry another program so to so.
Ni trimi nyina kunta Akando say wa unu Akando say ni usi.
Ebe na ka say mas opposition ka sanko.
Akwata mine ni tiri wi nyina ya ye fita.
Young man no.
Akando young man sa no.
Well, starting nyame de ni bi.
Ni tiri wi nyina ya da ni fita.
So
COVID-19 ya ro.
Unya mo caucus.
The person me catch on the say. No position now.
Don't take responsibility.
Comments are free.
Oh yes.
Facts are sacred.
Oh yes.
Opinions, you can say anything.
Okay.
And only limitation.
Yes.
A photo. Yes.
More
When you Photoshop.
Oh great.
I remember Parliament ni also Photoshop.
Share.
But we might extending ododo.
Hey, Akuta.
Aha, wait and when you
she is what it is.
Oni.
Yes.
Oh, and MP.
Afo toffee.
Tianka wan ka beto aba wana.
Mo domra. Ye chechire mani se kura meti mama no. Se meti domra. Ye chechire mani chechire.
Na domra just we jayo.
Agise woman we.
And you obawe ni sa.
Yaw.
Domra. You do them just say enti they look at the looks.
Debio. Apart from everything.
Personality ka.
Mami, osabo adwuma ho.
Yes.
You are ben wa ye.
Na no wa ye.
Bridges ni ayi. Uko jomora wa darling girl.
Na no wa ye bridge ama.
Dem go na monyi mu transfer from go to aba. Monyi.
O mo de be ma bo amanko beko.
Me.
Afo toffee.
Ye hear say duro abato o ma me lorry fair. Be ba be to ma no.
Asante wo
That's her.
Share afo toffee.
Deputy Transport Minister free neko ye to lorry fair
share na transport minister na si wo.
Mo sa man no kra de enim no.
Hwe woni o.
Hwe afo toffee neko bridge na no wo koye no. Oh bridge.
Yaw.
That's it.
Asante.
That's it.
NDC MP some was so ye.
NDC for they have the women.
They have the women. If MPP they have the men. NDC they have the women.
Abani GPR to you for meet you on a VIP for no meet on ma afo toffee.
Vasanto muko.
On fa de sanko to masa to kom.
Ala deputy fayido dey o kasa everything. Samoa. Only Samoa shall kasa.
Santo masa to kom no fa ba akososo nto Samola mu akom. No kan jo se minu amema. Ye lorry fair no. Mamu tum akoto kasa so de bia won so nyina ho. Won se jeans se ya so so. No ne GPR2 for no. Ene VIP for masa to no mo nko negotiation mayen. Asa
I'm for to about.
Na kote yenya
toffee. Be say afo toffee o nya lusu yo.
Me see one next time in parliament no. Obi be pe women would
Nienya MP say time of a parliament here o problem.
Na kan sabi o anu sima so nse nwura adu be bi o ntoko o komo.
E komo ja kon.
Ka be ma ne nko.
You will say better.
Na ka be ma ne ko komo nko.
Abudati na besi na me yasa adwasa for say.
Adwasa for free parliament.
Adwasa for say.
BT is unique.
Yes.
Ya grace yeah. Wo so nye.
Yeah we. Electoral commission was say. My men say. Maintain me biasi.
Ade dey na until.
Was so run.
Of the
electoral commission.
Also every run of day.
19
Ablekuman North. Say 19 police.
Ade omo trans so ye no niam bia say wo ha na. Parties ni say. Rerun no okoyama parties no almost say.
MPP MPP so omo nko.
NDC for class
say omo fees MPP for
omo nyina they are having issues.
Omo nyina wo issue.
No, so the MPP so nko there. Say the onko rerun no NDC for no omo nko to abama omo.
And even NDC crowd were concerns because of electoral commission they may be.
You see, when this thing happens, then people agree with the say don't get. I say omo
I say we ya to about 6 months.
Say Saturday we koswa. Then the say don't get here cause you reset no. Ghanaians, a lot of Ghanaians are agreeing with them. Ever say James Sabejina so this is assembly elections. You have to talk to be if you want more first election court. Where is the bedroom so
on the year 2020.
2020. All of us, 2018, 2019, elections. This is assembly.
Yes.
And you are two about now Eastern region for one two. Now we are two, but I know.
2022 go ahead. 2023.
And also, sir.
Why for say?
Oh my.
What is the meaning of this? Now a whole 6 months. A constituency doesn't have a representation.
We need security to declare the results.
security no say the Johunu came and said they are ready to give them every
They
security.
should tell them Dakron.
Beto Abanombe. So what happened?
Omukoko declare election.
What
Electoral
happened?
Commission for catcher say akonta omomu ni pink sheet ni bi of this 19 polling stations no. Electoral Commission for catcher say omo no any pink sheet ni bi omo de be declare na pink sheet no akodi omo they pulling one for no returning officers no. Nebom MPP NDC
Omo
be. But who electoral commission there? Who need be person carry asem chere Ghana for?
Only pink sheet.
Who need pink seat ni be? Enti edu baby they had to rely on Abia NPP. Pink seat or their back. Edu baby also omugina NDC. They say NDC say pink seat no omuji bituma enye because omufi say MPP there no omode ba no. Baby your hon omufi say ya doctor.
Okay,
figures ni be assessed.
Allegedly pink sheet no. So a photocopy.
Original no issue.
Enti say omu wi a
akutawe kra de carbon.
Ya me ba na me ye no. Omu chiro bibia wi a.
Mo
Yete mienu
mo
baako ye parties ebro mienu kra. All the parties
ni nyina.
Ye the obi a pink sheet man na original no.
Aka
electoral commission ho. The police station no. Omo se party for the BGT team ana.
Mo.
And those pink sheets, you electoral commission, you are supposed to do a photocopy of your own and post the original.
Yes,
at the
police station.
Yes.
You post the original and you carry one with you in case of argument or misunderstanding. What you would say, Mimi Diani ni susudia.
Almost from returning officers, no muso no more the pink sheet na bre wo mo amomo ababe declare
elections.
But electoral commission
okay, be away. South polling station
19 no
returning officer no. Or 2 minutes so betima catch electoral commission say member.
Yeah no so electoral commission catch up.
No police for me akwache no.
Santi ebo na ko gina police station we.
Omo ni fie.
Yeah, who address who was
ya na joma na sembe dia.
No hono also the
ya man. Mensa ne boss man ne pedifo no ya ba.
I'm afraid this election, this particular election must say and next week you go. Next week Friday
19th. Some say on 11th yeah.
Next week Friday we as a Thursday.
Omo kwa trouble
on this 11. And then
na dey we send this you fan champion.
And the American almost
na why mama fee
6 months omuni MP
ya asante
me no ya dwen
adan MP NDC fo nyai
omanyo ensesa hwe
we are go that be NDC for this fee say we so here a dress rehearsal be
for day
so we nya by election
for
semi by election omuko no quarter finals and omo babo ni za
be cry ni NDC for mo pe parliamentarians no
say
ya 188 and MPP was 88 if you cry 88 no cry
mo 300 cry goof chain na mo ni omo dey face
88
na akwaya 137
I just crazy
I will buy every we have to jump before omo lusu pa omo lusu 137 to 88
yeah
MPP ya bo omo do
entina amai enu ntina eso ni perform ya adwen se party no eni kwa se dey me kiki woko pe
woni ade ni mo ya adwena
oman wo car
ade ni mo cars
was it
car na logi no masesa Omanhene Yaw sa no frame won fa dubu a kire Omanhene Yaw car hwiase ama nipa wu
car say
nipa prepare car no ne board joint ni bibia
tu say
akosu fitem a se ye nkofa driver foforo ye fa ne nkotwen ye car ni wi a wa betu driver no fa no a bosu bibia be chare ka
nipa na 137 ena ebi ewu amana ka 88 88 so omukọ omu to akwantu
omo sa kwa hubiem
eti ye nkọpa
driver car no omo sa de akọ
o akwata se engineer adwuma anya hwe omo fo omo ngo omo fo omo ngo akwata akwantu no ena ho twe wo mo akwantu no
but their constitution gives them 2 years.
Yes.
So 2027, they will not be making a mistake.
26 about to 2 years. January 2026. 2 years.
No. If they do 2026, it gives the flag bearer 3 years. They did same for Jekufo.
Yes.
And in 1998.
Yes.
They did same for, I think, Akufo-Addo. But Akufo-Addo was 2 years. It was 2 years. But Akufo-Addo 3 years. Akufo-Addo more than 2 years. But it is deemed, sir, the year within Ombetono is deemed 2 years. But wait, the flag bearer gets 3 years. But maybe problem ni Yahweh, me problem ni December polling station elections now. Omo person omo to about December ma polling station. Yahweh, it we no omo kotoa. January 31st. Can they prepare 276 constituency albums for polling station mom dia kotoa ba within 2 months?
I go tell you simple.
Hey, it's not possible.
Ya to abawie. Asante ebu awini. Omanhene awini ya bo amawini. Ye de mudi ka album ho.
Yeah. And so mudi ka album ho. Ya wuti.
Omo ko to aba no.
So omo to police station we are nominations. That for no. Ya to atia omo. Enti omo meto aba ni bio.
Akuta yes.
So the new album no. Constituency ni no. Uba to no so aba na.
Constituency need
constituency executive no one by omo to na so omo din war register na your constituency regional national founding fathers ni omo to abaye no omo de ombewom na emo polling station there ukosisa no adintra
sina konta suggestion say ba say even polling station ho no mokra na bi the proposal aba say nipa na polling station chairman na say yekoto abakra ne so olusu a
or your former still
he should be made a member or onkoso
of the electoral college you know
so say be man na okeka obaka ya MPP problem pa ye man na owo ahafano a on fi say he's the father of the party dapa olusu
ya o twene
ho free party no ho a edu baby o decide kra so obeko independent o say
dey ya chairman ni jai
ko pa na chairman ni ade no omo fi say papa ne ye the godfather uko ahafano ne mpotemu
of MPP
MPP party no
but as a committee guy and friend no
and papa no so te dae no and an MPP agija wo ahafano
a omalusu
seat omalusu seat no and omo fi say going forward papa ne complain ye say omo committee nkro omo friend no bibia say ye yi na sinche na party ni nipa bi dey suggestion akọ so such people yeah polling station chairman polling station
party no
olusu kura ye mani dinka
a former member of parliament former minister
mo
omo was say
na so omo to aba and a former polling station chairman former constituency chairman
ma ji omo nyina fi ba ya so say omo for jituma
yes
fan say 19th omagia to
yes
are they going to prepare a new album to involve all these people? And that's remember old album now. No more the new ones now. Omo ye no. Omo the omo dia keka album no ho ana.
Akota say no dey enti akota
easy o ya.
Ye ni informal DC so. Meaning crab nim say Lord inu say informal MC.
No, I'm not disputing that
identification.
No identification. Make us say emra omo wo no say fan say ya omaji ato no omo de omo nyina abeka ho a why go for a polling station elections fufro
any dey e was here to
otu in December now then omo to executive constituency because if you obviously interested in the constituency or so to eno so
yes
but how to eno no omo time be so February but polling station for the to December e jama for so fee say polling station no ne time aso a oduma ne goto abade bi
enti no mo to aba no
e no mo to aba no
yes
but the bisu fi say na to aba na say police station na me pa no me ka ho
me
yeah you be free
yes
new one aba na e ko to aba no
enti akota voting right na wabema wanwinwi no e na mo kwadwene ho 19 July say ye de betumanim say ewom say mo polling station executives mo brebe so December nanso no nipa bi di nsusu ya ba say ama ya ji atum eti ulu sukra obetu bi ekesa wo di tum
ko bi aha no
wo di tum 19th na mo
na ulu sukra na utu bi December
still now
utu bi January
eti e wa
say it to be bad
no me mama
because some to police station
yes
they are mandated because omumra so I said 55 no wa obelu sukra no utu about January
mo
na ni beje
se mo ji tum a So
it's based on acceptance. I agree. No. I think say it makes sense from that angle. Say so omuji tumwa. Ulusu December no kra no a January 31st over to be because we are former.
It is still out that.
It is still no Ulusu kra how. I think so, it's positive. Reforms because February no matter what na wie.
We almost say problem as I told you almost problem but us amount for suggest say nkomo say each card bearing member of NPP.
I know this so there.
Almost say use us NDC ye bi.
NPP for bebre ko
NPP for bebre NDC party card meanwhile so no me NDC one NDC yes debi ade no etom the NDC de no mo try so mo ye no e case study say si ye ko bem se card bearing members a ye benya opposition ye opponent a
omo nyina ba be wura
ye mpe amaye so unti ye mfa ne say
now I understand why December elections na ba so
former polling a year ye nim so ye MPP ni. So be a former polling station chairman, former polling station women's organizer, former polling station
former constituency chairman, former constituency women organizer, former electoral coordinator, or a former. Now, when you involve these people, want to mean Kase, where you be into what baby?
Yes, party I am from. In the case of Mr. Chairman Dapa, a case study. No,
I think it's positive. I understand now because now my generation as I tell you on the floor continue. Your panel members, no, I'm saying the normal traffic. I didn't know. Maybe they might not be able to. That's why I'm watching panel members.
Every 19 July, I'm okay. I must start on recommendations, suggestions, and reforms now with regards to internal election. I must start and you know, dear, and I'll pay. When you about my person, me tia say no. And you know December no. Remember, enu December no. Na I say, omo expansion on my year. Ama former MPs to be.
Former ministers.
Former ministers to be.
Former
DCs to be.
Former police stations
for to be. Oh, and yaw former no matter number of years Abani ebe to be 20 years ago cry.
So what I think they want to cap it from 2010.
From 2010 to 2020.
I think I'm saying from 2010.
Once you are alive.
So 2010 ban who can how to be.
Okay.
Now Tiasia.
Maybe then I make us say and yes Ghana I know expense. Yeah, voter register. Once you did about register media,
I think that's what they want to do.
And any question bedroom maybe no.
Obi wa mo constituency na wo anam the birth set the death set ko dey yi dey.
Oh, Omeka.
Party the Omeka o. She obi pe kwa be shebo.
Oh my na tie with regards to expansion of electoral college no. O matimi aye. And what you mean, Nipa will no my expansion on your cases.
I don't think so.
What I say,
but still, I
do say
from 2010.
200,000. Somebody,
5 no former they can hit about 600.
It's about 600,000.
See, I was say a brosa.
I like 1 million.
Yes. See,
I say.
Election, see, hey, a party on my say. Nipa MPP supported you 6 million. During the last election. Yeah, for 2024. The
fans sympathizers
and whatever. Let's say a move say 1 million to about it's about a near base 10% and I say.
Say 6 million. So it could be about 20%.
Yeah, 20%. 20% say it's a reflection.
It's good a reflection.
About Buama. Oh, said the yana ha man for ni say. Nipa na mo kwa yi na be majority of the populace dan koto nso aba no open say enipa ne bi mpene so ba woni say na die ya ebufuo last election ya bo ma ebia wadwan nkoso a wo hwa na obi okoto aba wa kwaje iron events roofing sheets okwaje cement wa kwaje flat screen fridge mobile phones afi wa decoration nyina wo fie what you say na wanu kwaji wewie ye no ye kwoto ba na wo so na akwaji ala mu
na woni dey see here
so what you say na ya
because of When you are there, Yami found the crazy. Polling station executives. And I'm near Mokwaji G8, you know. No mutim green few because you know what Hanuman a yeti kopo and a 43-inch TV. Because of that, so yet one I guess you round them. When your fridge, which me said that a bio sound system, ne jigum. Boys bear 5 in the wolf yo. A bar says, I said, I said, I know when you're free. Over that campaign is what was happening. And you know about crying, you bear. Yamina, now she will. Most over to the people decided, I call you a bet. But we are campaign, but if they do this to up, it will also open up the constituencies. Because from 2010 to 2026, I'll be a Morocco to Abano. Constituency executives are any electoral coordinators, any 554 now, or we have form and omodoso.
But depending, constituency will be maintenance. They'll be maintaining them all this while. Baby wants to swap. How much you changing?
Yeah, but at least
constituency can a bet that you don't
have a section. And it's only about 20 or 50 count one. It's an expansion. It's a good start.
Oh, maybe expansion of crowd. But Macobia university campus. Let's just view her.
At least say test conform say Omumia. So 111 be or mobile. Every TESCON member, or money to be.
Obi are registered. Be
a registered TESCON member. Omo 1,000. Crowd more to abanibi. Omo a representation of TESCON. No. Come all the imagine all the tertiary. KNUST if I saw more 1,000 or more 2,000. Westco, any training colleges no 500. Christian service. Wow. Yes, you want to be because the future is the youth. I have a man to 10 years. Yeah, man to no more fridge. I'm going to fridge. No baby, say, yeah,
yeah, come back. Say, about 12 say. Who are going to pepper Nibia? To be now. How much? Yes, sir. A first about raging. National. Ah, shall we? Now, Obu Adma to be called national. Son of a police station. Because everything in your enemy in Shapra. I.
Says almost 2 polling station about no say MPB any chairman, they sound so near back on the secretary.
No more the Crawford.
Enti ohun se wo no nya ni nipa na oba bepe bia
unya bi da
no a chairman nkrofo nyina aba
be se wut ya
case of ajuso omutu na nadu wa
ya wut bi call constitute wut bi call police station wut bi call electoral area bi na papa no ne wo faase ni nua ne yire 55 no ye one ne ma
na me no obi a ono tubi ne be tubi
me say 55 no obu on ma omu nyina wo fie ba akum.
Look at investment.
If you back home, if you have around one house, nipa dear sister, police station executives are all come 30. Wait,
no, Obiaso Konya,
because MP non crop for any woman. MP nearby, Nesewa, Nemame, Omunya police station executive. Obu I the next police station, if you did him. Oh, and you have a transfer, what a transfer. Honorable Transi, yeah, sorry.
And people say Udi cha. To say, Obi to say, Nanaje Bafo, Menchiasa. Yes, me
Utuna football.
Nevi, Nanaje Bafo, a Vincent upon Vincent, as if for a concept. Tafu, a Obri,
Lobi Subi, Onyage,
Akota, a John Dacono, Omoni guess an intuition plan. Oh, more constituency.
Then you're there.
So,
but your microphone is off. Which I said that you will be bound to about Tawo. What are we go for guess? Yeah, Mr. Solid, I'm a bad car. No, that's hey, Grady, come on. Yeah, wait. we won't say what the mom of Ankoto social media MP se ba comment. Ready Yagopo. All right, I'm going to say. Oh, traffic me wa.
I tell you.
Oh.
So
So Mike and mommy.
oh, okay.
Oh, fetch. You just say, yeah, show me more. Oh, Emmy, yeah.
Traffic now I'm ready. Maybe
I know thing.
You will be a free banner.
Maybe I'll free ban also
I
there.
just have a catch a tough for some more relocating a mumra a dumne.
Somewhere and can't guess you.
Someone said, yeah, quite I just a more relocating.
All right, but I'll put to say.
I'm not more.
Maybe I will call there.
I'm for say a hoyenti.
24-hour economy. And the one idea you need to come on. Man penny and right. I'll say the voter economic corridor. Kwame Nkrumah ni swadi who say we see voter lake no near me be no almost a revival no 2 million acres of hectares of irrigation no be na omo be di kind no ye private sector na buy and facilitate and no ya there back wa waka ho asem pa. And energy minister so say cabinet approve say free necromy. Can there be institutions we military, police, hospitals, and as school there will be a 2 prepaid meters and a monthly billing. We send me say over here 16th of July. 1 Ghana city on later no Saba. All right, mama too. Now you heard him say PV, but I don't know if he can make them. If he sells on also traffic side, mammy too.
Oh, I mean, you match now, match here, what you for the NI now. A bra me by Nami Timor as an amo, and never be held by a party and a reorganization.
That's right.
I said, never be what Nipan be bringing Yanti, I said. And I think say more a fantastic job, but 1 or 2 things be. My understanding is as it stands now. Ye ne electoral college a presidential candidate.
Munibi.
Yes, assistance now.
Okay. To old,
yes.
After 19th,
The decision for whoever will vote in the 31st January will be taken
on the 19th.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Agreed.
So what is there now? They say National Council they would to me say venue and date for presidential elections.
Okay.
That one is not in the hands of the entire decision making body now be conference of the party and the National Council for the play our constitution.
Okay.
So the decision they've taken is set a presidential by 31st
January 2026.
And for me feel said that thing is the best way to go as at now in the reorganization of our party. That is my opinion, because and nema koso sisia wo ye party pinche we gina we ha na we kosi na we kan we obi bia ho party we yi no. I don't think say you suggest say we should have the presidential elections in 2027.
Are they any more suggested?
Oh no, I don't agree. I don't agree.
Turn out, you know.
Yeah, I don't agree with him, because the whole thing is say obi a ho bedwen sa bia no. Maybe you have not studied the dynamics of politics as at now.
Okay.
Because with the advent of social media, the management of political parties are very difficult. Very difficult.
Extremely.
And Obia, Kwadwo Jeda, former regional chairman of MPP, Bono region. Kwadwo Afojo. Tamane Mranti and it can send be that's what meeting. Or say political party is the only institution or organization that you don't vet people before you admit them.
And so they are not great.
Until I saw who say Abuabia Karata wom, Okusie wom, Opuro wom, Sebo wom, you need to look at how you can manage those people.
Okay.
Until Kase, at the said a number of course they Ebia for your party 1992, 96 in the account.
98.
I'm telling you, President Kufuor didn't contest judgments a contest.
Yes.
Some of us who were privy to it, judgments are not a counterpart near President Kufuor or can say President Kufuor did not contest 1996 when to me and when it. Now, Banchi, I could be a Yanto and Sam Van
Kobio to Kufuor Banchi.
Besata not radio media and you vibrant as we have to be. Until what they are not so a BSC pent, your money in said, you are making a big mistake. Social media, WhatsApp, Obi how to intro, but you send WhatsApp into or fan order and says to say, or forward now you generate controversies within the party. Until pinche near my qua. Emma issues were NDC for a criticism as government. No? We don't even get time to discuss them. And we are always discussing party people. Yes, party issues. Those days, that's a cheer party in Libya. Where vim near ya man for the court. But today, almost say Nipana actually no Odi Alanchement a first can Japonchi and also the Boakye and Sana Nipana was over. We can't continue to have it.
Okay.
So to me, it is the best decision for the party. Say, yes, our premise in Libya because the ultimate, is the presidential premise.
Police station. Okay.
Yes, I can see a police station, region, because police station and I'm a bimo 10 of office by end December. But you know, okay. If you January, people March.
Because if you are okay.
And even the constituency level, if you will be April.
If you so March, if you are February,
it's around July.
Okay.
The case year elections where you know we are seeing a presidential election. We do any party no go. I'm telling you for a fact. I'm telling you, you can't control the people. That is democracy. You almost want people for there and a general secretary between sacking. You can't sack people like that in political party. Two film, Mekabuchi Abako. And the thing say we need to get time to.
Two film,
Buchiaba. Yes. Say Buchiaba on there, who knows you? Aye. Why you the Janet Buchiano? Aye. Where you film? No way you film. And political party is not brought.
I like that.
I think say this is good. Into you could take a decision now. 18th and 20th July na you never go Accra. Yes, you move on.
All right, 24-hour economy, Mami Chiu.
24-hour economy, Kwabna. Yesterday happens to be
Ade Yaw.
The most difficult and make us say idea me boy we are seeing na politically me really honorable starting from the electoral commission decision and Amokan was to the 24-hour economy. 24-hour economy now you can't want them in opposition as NDC, What has changed? Because never no more kind of the who vast difference. What we saw yesterday is a rehash of the 1D1F.
One district, one factory.
Because they are telling us 24-hour economy, it will be anchored on private sector.
Private sector, yes.
1D1F anchored on what?
Private sector.
Say beya able to me a reduce import. And yes, I don't know catch it.
That's right.
1D1F, what was the focus?
That was the focus.
Say beya able to me create jobs at the Amagana for 1D1F near there. And the blueprint of 1D1F and Ubiafa and was a English language, and why the 24-hour economy. Nothing more, nothing else. Me, what I have read, it is almost 300 pages. Now Ghana new person what they are DC now fashion for him.
Okay.
I'm telling you, yeah, 300 pages document there at all. The paradox on the 300 pages in Ghana. How many people will read? Enti idea. Yeah, say you per se you fund you 2 foot for gunkophobia ni.
Enti abine buy also on continue with 1D1F no. To you, that was a strategy to turn around.
A changing of names and abine way.
How?
Planting for food and jobs. The only about one for saying. Feed Ghana.
Aye.
The concept and the code and everything is the planting for food and jobs.
Bibi answer sign.
Because planting for food and jobs, now your milk we are for subsidized fertilizer, now ubia abia now
seed
because as a former MC may share a lot of seedlings. Say ye kube, say ye mango, say ye even the last one I may a friend is saying how do you call that? Emo yeah, we are for free. And this time around, and I'm buying previous government side the friend say yes, planting for jobs and planting for rearing and jobs.
Jobs, yeah, more.
Yeah, more. Now, yeah, kitty no more can say. So what has changed? And the idea near on Ghana, yes, sir, I think say young queen. 24-hour economy, you are more can say me. Idea about who is on my private sector and LED. So they are going to give capital incentives to the private sector. 1D1F the same thing on that here.
Yeah, from Exim Bank.
And they are not more your say will be our person or be invest in Ghana. What we were doing is your mouko you sell back Exim Bank and other banks are called Busiana de Ghana. So we'll be out there near my bank. Your ma dear friend say tax reliefs near ma. And yesterday we were told that they were going to continue those things, but on message.
the last time if parliament as na ye free parliament ye free hono what government did they say na there was some companies or more listed and no apply for these tax waivers abandon the call parliament and the NDC them because now numbers 37 137 137 said never it drew a gwana aye parliament
fisticuffs
they never approve it and then the same policy no was akofa e de ba no de akọ parliament akọ the same relief na e de akoma
companies
people so that you can get 24-hour economy because the abided and the now all you say koba say ye pese ye ma ye reduce the import ye ma export no ye more it is a company abided aboa no na all ye adwuma na wa fa nkrofo mo ye adwuma no say export more na adwuma na omo ye no omo atumi nya ade a omo export ko more amanfo beto a say you begin to employ more people. Enti omo ye adwuma no pa no mo fi ho a nya na wakofa awiafo so omo ye adwuma. So is that not the same thing? The same concept. So nothing has changed. Now, they are talking about $4 billion.
That's right.
As sika on peso be here for the next 5 years.
Yes.
And the source of funding no me and rather me reading the BT no me huni the papa. They are talking of Ghana Infrastructure Fund. And then they are appealing to some banks to come in. They are also looking at say a bino corporate seed capital of 300 million. But the seed capital of 300 million, where is it coming from? Because Ebra or Mompani ye two abama no ye swear in 7 or the can be a state of nation address. He never mentioned the 24-hour economy as their flagship project.
Modalities.
Yes.
The finance minister will come with all the modalities.
He also came to read the budget and it was not there.
Also,
say, oh, Gositano prepare the document, so when it is ready, they will bring it. Now, budget for 2025 was approved. Now, the budget review. So, how much are they going to put in the review? So that Parliament will deliberate on it, approve it.
Because
so
4 billion is a huge.
Exactly. 300 million. Say may I doubt it because even a man mo can say mo loan. First budget na mo ready you know as a flagship project. A man loan where mo yen him say obi a opese or establish bank e Ghana currently you need capital of not less than 400 million.
400 million.
Then you gave the women 51 million Ghana.
So you cannot establish a bank.
E yesusu no mo be create. Enti enema mo kan opposition no that's not what they are doing. What they told us about 24-hour economy in opposition is say, "Yebema obia opese or ye juma na asiru ketiare ne bo say fund listening why ne yimuno yebeti see electricity bill so that they will come back in the night and work." So the question I was asking myself, okay, sanity I meso me ye juma no pa. Be me labe wo so. Meso me tuma ye juma na do. E di say me ye juma na do na beti me labe that. I will also stop morning and come to work in the evening so that I also benefit. Enra, you even library currently as we speak, it has increased more than 17%. It is uncle for a catcher almost say, you be taking your libraries, no more quite no more to me. So, one district, one factory, or whatever. What we were told, he said, Obi our nam cry, quite our con cry. Now, Drew Quansa will be Kusiani and Ponchini, you over 2 million. Yet a 24-hour economy, but some for a motor tons, I can't tell what on beton and I do. Intuitive VIP man, I do bedroom. Is that what you heard yesterday? Is that what you heard yesterday? We were told say 24-hour economy no it be create a lot of job for our youth. Is that not it?
That's right.
Enti emabunu ya mo to abeti ya yenkese pa ya ba ne say oh omo the 24-hour economy ba. Enti e ba sa ye nyine be nya adwuma ye.
Even government institutions.
Government institutions.
Rollout.
Now they are telling us that the government institutions they can't do it, so that's why they are appealing to the private sector. Say they should come in because the government institution now will come out and me na me hear adwuma assembly. Assembly no as we speak even nipa amugu assembly kwa majority of them kwa munye adwuma nye enti o kwota kwoswa nipa foforo do makugo na wo discover ya because what we all know is that currently even budget ya ye retua adwuma for kan kra no it taking the chunk of our revenue
almost 75% of.
So what are you going to get that money from?
Tinax say passport office say obey adwuma najo DVL be adwuma najo Senate be adwuma najo no is a full tools of issue. It's not going to work.
Over here look 24-hour economy no a demand driven.
I understand because the adwene no there Ghana ni bia te 24-hour economy asepa na onim say senate bit my adwuma 3 shifts
exactly
onim say
DVLA they work
ministries ebe 3 shifts
enka bia ayi MNDCs we ba no pa na okone ye foforo aba wia
na na so onim say enti mabru bebre adwen say se person ko passport officer o kan we mami fa we ntwem anobo kuje to abla kwa mesrew company amone o masan contract
difficult
say omonye delivery no they are creating a huge problem for Ghanaians.
2 weeks ago I was in Sunyane minua amount for passport or mo pa koyo
amount for add your passport Canada na passport ni gunkran no omo timi conform ade
exactly obi an kan say we complain say
and mo the contract yes here from say company say talk think on say
talk Ghana or something like that
mo the company be aba mo the abdina ma omo obu 2 months ni or train the passport delivery and so on so now if you don't have the capacity the criteria ben okuje to share ya or the fast company no the same person company he been na ya adwuma o US am say wo ma mine chrono and to ma okoto a whole embassy a creative problem now you have a company in Ghana Ghana ni what did you senesa people are crying other than to okuje to onte
even
what kind of delivery ni
even come to many regional levels say yema company A operate
Ashanti region
company
B and only ade omunya no
yes
and every region no mo forma a Korea company obey delivery mo di ni na akoma nipa baako and our afosu Sunyane Kumasi ha everybody is crying
the account will be cry a pass a birth set currently getting birth set in Ghana.
What is the meaning of this? Honorable Traswa. Oh.
It's meaning amamo no a nsema ye kan wo opposition no. That's not what we are doing. But you amoye nyina say o ya kan e manifesto so let's launch it for Ghanaians to see say who be so
you think they are just launching it for launching sake?
No, meaning
Honorable, the president is serious.
Me say omo launch bebre no launch. Omo launch we and what is it what won bim.
Ebi de.
Omo launch adwumawura. Erika J
wo Kumasi.
Nye Kumasi omo launch no. Omo we for 2 months what won bim.
Ebi omo formulative laws and other
things. And see we why do you have to come and launch it? Me koye adwuma wa assembly. I gave myself say project ya me pese me ye no. Me who the source of funding and a funding no grano and available no matumi aya me nkate so for any construction enti me kashe yankobo no 3 years I make MC you know even nyese bia me ka dwomanu public accounts committee me the whole Ghana I was mentioned
praised
yes because me call ya projects are be 2006 2004 2012 akanwuram and I say communities na this be my project there. It's not your project. Those projects are for the communities. And to say spend the time new projects now. Let me complete those projects. And I met more than 13 projects. Me free power down in the Ade Akye Abia too. Yeah, I mean complete. Yes. Community do a project and whoever started it.
Maybe. It's say I also adwuma wura wa hunu bibia.
Adwumawura omo launch e be yente ho ho biem o ka say omo launch omo project
a ministry bay
is it under even okujetu o ka say passport kra what so
passport
500 to 350 today passport is 500 Ghana cedis
it is still
yes
and this time
I'm telling you some places kra too yes open
Goro boys na be mo anasa dey
enti wa beka sa asem no wa abonte dia kire Ghana for wa adwemu ni say o beka say enche krana minister for finance ko gina parliament me as a local government person me bo aban we ya baso say o share the decentralization level no more
yes almost a certain percentage
I'm telling you so perfect. I spoke on media also your sister say joy and I spoke and I said say very commendable but as we speak say no and the sika I say you be my assembly be not less than 25 million Ghana cedis. Me time na the whole year no na minya 1 million na buy be say waba na we do way your assembly be 25 million. Why wouldn't I praise that government? Because
unyi ni say beba
make say your mom release letter release letters here release this Canada assemblies no assembly be no unya I stand to be correct. Omo amene omo akasa de obi en wonya 3 million.
25 million.
Yes, a year. Enti nka quarter year ya wie 6 months and at least we expect senka want to akwa bi abe 7 million 8 million. But what they intend releasing now and also as at now yeah and ram last checks no na assembly bi en one release Canada come more than 3 months.
Hey.
So that is the settings government that we have. Omo can send no abontin. And I make us a common fund this omo releasing in radio because as at yesterday none of them check here. But as I was checking yesterday and Monday no assembly be mean who be not so yes. So they will come out and tell you say we have done this, we have done that. At present I launch code of ethics for ministers and appointees. Na ni padodo o ma to sa course what say yabo bi. And I wouldn't say course abibriabu so. Ni papa kokura mbu so and Sam George. Sam George was driving a vehicle, unlicensed vehicle in a convoy. Minister, do you have that right? So what driver? Even individuals are you drive cars ya yen last year. Police for jina no macho. Wakoje losses brand new. Or no our tina opposition or catch and say, who say MPP officials or multi convoy muni e car mo a twitwa mo pictures.
The Fabra.
Na Fabra. Or no or minister or no minister even within Accra. Nye Kumasi no man wakasa traffic na cheno Accra e kwazo. No the convoy do and not nam. E dem buto kidi nani. Car e online system. Hwe abrantie bi a owo abruchira na or say or making comments about whatever is happening. Look at this description at Sam George the man on social media. It is a code na no. Why can you imagine say minua Omanhene? I said ebra minua Sami Jamfi. Okoyi scammer grada any one sem buy and nkophobia no mu defending the account say those kind of things you say president you know. Me can say president can never sack Sami Jamfi because or a darling boy. Now, omo didn't see baby or one for a purpose. There is no way a president be sacked. So I was not surprised. Say president by almost Mabon chief of staff so Mabon say wa patch into omo dia channel. Just imagine. Say mame eslowusu and Nana do don Akufo at the time. And now even any of the appointees of MPP and or call bedroom and obi sire diska. Na oyese oyi bia ma no enye cedis dollars and oyi na odema. Can you imagine what would have happened in this country? Okay, because so in film reform. But we see, we saw it normal, as normal. Any giant, any kikaya, any boss, one jato. And near Mao cannot, no more yet. And the 24-hour economy, I come as a million, and I make us say a rehash of the 1D1F.
But it is possible the government can achieve it.
So, dear just kwabra bibia ne ho asase so person obeya o
from Yaw ne kwabra
minua kwabra sante na ma
Omanhene say Yaw kuma no
dear tia say aban no kase obeya pepa no ho ye nyina ye boa no a
uni gidie wo mu
oh me to some level because the omo kan opposition no ene de me hu ne nura ye de on betumi ayi because ya de tia say look 3 days ago that me colleague NDC back na wo mo sister station back they no can so ye ka say ye be ma employment nti ye kan say ye betimi ye be ye no all the sectors of the economy who they o ma sha say in public policy sanity o to e de to na wa nkofo bobo hu an to hwe ba bia no agya no de wuro no wa wejuma so what they are intend doing is say oh ye ka say the way nti at the end of the day say bia 3 institutions and 4 institutions kwa dey tumi ye and the yet employ nipa 1,000 krana ya implement
ayade
no me dey bia me ka say NDC I don't expect much from them the omo kan opposition and dem ya me dey jeje omo because me the NDC I know and in dem omo kan President Kufuor time ne hand over on my way more 2009 and omo ba 2009 to 2016 omo free akonwa so na dem ma na omo aye na me expect anything big from them. Inti niama no mo kan opposition me hu say no. Enye feasible. But ye can dey agi to me. Ye gi to me no we are na ye trase. We me ko kai na cover this for di me attempt last week so na say mo dey be say look. Ye papa John Mahama ne emi na ne say na NDC for amane to me. Na to me na wunya ye no. unfortunately when to me and to train near yi and MP before be free ni sem
to kwaje ade mai
ma me kwaje mo ade ma mo me jema mo wie na say kuyi I cannot me come baby. That's exactly what he's doing.
Honorable former MC German South, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Mami your birthday no. And won komo ya me depa de me ti se oba ma ni gia na gia. Afei de. Chronicle Kofi Abaji Jr. of UK and your birthday from your mom Mami Broni of Tafo Municipal and Kuku of Sompa. Obrimpomia Equia Jacobia Kwachi of the Ajakwa of Humpty Dumpty. Obrimpomia Equia Jacobia Kwachi Ejakwa of Humpty Dumpty from your mom Krobia Santua Papa B of Breman Experimental School. Agnes, a champion of Mankranso, Chenebua Kodia sends this to you. Honorable Lord Inu Salansa, former MC, Tafo Municipal. Hey, buddy, I hope you're good. From Sompa TV morning crew, we say happy birthday to you, Lord. To my lovely daughter, Gifty Kunedu Tego of St. John Good Shepherd School. Today is your birthday. Your father is Inspector Tego of Sofaline Police Station. Stephen Opuni Mensa, aka Waddle of UK. Your sister is Harriet, and she sends a special birthday. Oba Penny Nanama Bodua Manso Akantania Sehima. Oba Penny Nanama Bodua Manso Akantania Sehima. Ukunu Eya Mr. Kojo Frempong. Also ma utrinkwa ene oma wawodapa. Okay. On the note of that, let me say thank you to Honorable. Minim say enkoma aye die na nke hwe ni mu say PV beba am so no so traffic sa when to me am kai nsa. Honorable.
Of a PV ni nua na ye na jantro. Na ya the office of the president.
David. PV jantro I don't think so.
But
ebia abusuan no mo. Ada
family no.
Are na jantro.
Ba kono so na no ye no ko GMPC. Lawyer jantro.
Aye. Oh, it could be, but I can't ascertain or otherwise. Nana Jantua. I Jantua. So all trendy brutal. Hey, Nana. All trendy man. What's here? What to me, Sue? That's all your bema. Hey! That I are right.
I say end that before final call.
I also want to go now come. Hey, Jantua, already Yakupo. I was afraid you will see how ever transfer the agudi who's about to us. Yakramo.